For decades, scientists believed this. The Pacific depths were completely lifeless, a silent world under crushing pressure, a place buried beneath endless water. Sunlight never reached this darkness. No structures could exist here. No cities could ever survive. No history could remain preserved. Only darkness filled this void, and time erased everything slowly. But that assumption was completely wrong, because something was always hidden there. Something buried beneath the ocean floor. Something waiting to be discovered. Something humanity was not ready for. It started with a routine scan. Nothing unusual appeared at first. Just empty seabed and silence. Flat terrain with no structures. Nothing worth investigating further, until sensors detected something unusual. A shape appeared in data. Too precise to be ignored. Too structured to be natural. At first, it was dismissed. Another geological anomaly, they assumed. Another illusion created by nature. But the data didn't match. Angles were far too clean. Lines were perfectly straight. Patterns repeated too consistently. So they deployed a drone. It descended into total darkness, into an unexplored unknown world. The deeper it moved downward, the darker everything became. The colder the water felt, the heavier the pressure grew. Every meter tested their technology. Every second increased the risk, until something finally appeared below. Something no one expected there. At first, only vague shadows, unclear shapes in distant darkness. Then edges slowly became visible. Sharp lines started to form. Clearly defined unnatural geometry. This was not natural formation. The drone carefully moved closer, slowly approaching the strange structures, recording everything in high detail. And what it revealed next changed everything we thought before. Massive stone structures appeared clearly, perfectly aligned in precise formations, built with mathematical accuracy. Not scattered like natural rocks, not random like erosion patterns. Everything looked deliberately organized, like a real underwater city. A city that should not exist, buried beneath thousands of meters, hidden for thousands of years, completely forgotten by human history, yet still standing in silence, still structured with clear design, still showing signs of engineering. The drone continued scanning deeper, revealing long, straight pathways. Large, flat platforms appeared, terraces carved into stone layers. Geometric layouts became obvious. Everything pointed to one conclusion. This was not natural geology. This was clearly intelligent design. The drone approached a massive structure. A dark opening became visible. It looked like an entrance, perfectly shaped and symmetrical, clearly not natural erosion. The edges were sharply defined. Angles looked intentionally engineered. Stone blocks framed the entrance. Different material from surrounding rock. This was constructed, not formed. The drone paused briefly outside. Sensors scanned the opening carefully. No movement detected inside. No biological activity recorded. Only silence filled the space. The drone slowly entered inside, crossing into complete darkness. Its lights illuminated the tunnel. Walls appeared smooth and refined, far too precise for nature. The tunnel extended deep forward. Straight path with no deviation. Uniform width across entire passage. Height remained perfectly consistent, engineered with clear intention. Strange textures covered the walls, like a protective coating layer, preventing structural collapse over time. Preserved despite extreme ocean pressure and advanced construction technique, the drone continued deeper inside. The tunnel showed no damage, no cracks or erosion visible. Everything remained structurally intact, as if built recently. Then the tunnel widened suddenly, opening into a larger chamber, a hidden room deep inside, completely sealed from outside, preserved in perfect condition. Large stone objects stood inside, rectangular shapes resembling containers, carefully arranged in organized rows, each identical in size, clearly designed for storage. The drone approached one container. Its surface showed fine detailing, not rough but polished, crafted with extreme precision, far beyond primitive technology. A small opening became visible, the lid slightly displaced aside, as if partially opened before, or left intentionally accessible. The drone moved closer slowly. Inside, something reflected light. A faint metallic surface appeared, unlike anything seen before. Smooth, dark, and unnatural, perfectly preserved for millennia. The drone focused its camera, zooming into the strange object, revealing a solid metal piece. No corrosion or decay visible, completely untouched by time. This should not be possible. Metal cannot survive like this. Not under these conditions. Not for this long. Not without advanced technology. The object was carefully extracted, transported to the surface lab, handled with extreme caution. Every detail documented precisely. Analysis began immediately after recovery. The artifact arrived at laboratory facility. Security protocols activated immediately. Scientists prepared controlled analysis environment, air sealed within sterile chamber. Every variable carefully monitored. The object was placed centrally, under bright diagnostic lighting systems. Its surface reflected light unusually, almost absorbing instead of reflecting. Behavior inconsistent with known metals. Initial scans began with spectroscopy. Standard composition analysis initiated, expecting known metallic elements. Iron, copper, maybe alloys. Nothing extraordinary was expected. But results came back unclear. No recognizable elemental signature found. Data did not match database. Not even partially aligned. This raised immediate concerns. Equipment was recalibrated for accuracy. Analysis repeated multiple times. Results remained exactly identical. No deviation detected at all. The anomaly was consistent. The structure appeared perfectly uniform. No impurities within the material. No microscopic irregularities detected. Impossible for natural formation. Even artificial alloys show flaws. Electron microscope imaging was initiated. Surface magnified at extreme scale. Atomic patterns became visible. Perfect geometric lattice observed. Unnatural level of precision. Atoms aligned with perfect symmetry. No random distribution detected. Every structure followed exact order, far beyond human engineering. No explanation could be given. Thermal resistance testing began next. Extreme temperatures were applied. The material showed no reaction. No expansion or deformation observed. It remained completely unchanged. Pressure testing followed immediately after, simulating deep ocean conditions, then exceeding natural pressure limits. Material integrity never changed. Structure remained perfectly stable. Chemical exposure tests were conducted, acids applied at high concentration. No corrosion appeared on surface. No chemical reaction detected. Completely resistant to all compounds, scientists began comparing known materials. Nothing matched this composition. Not modern, not ancient. Not natural, not synthetic. It existed outside known science. Data was reviewed by experts. Multiple laboratories confirmed results. Independent verification showed same outcome. No errors found in process. The anomaly was confirmed real. The conclusion became unavoidable. This was not normal material, not created by known civilizations, not formed by natural processes, not explainable with current science. The alloy defied all expectations. It challenged modern understanding completely. It should not exist at all. Yet it was physically present and undeniably real. The discovery changed everything instantly. Questions began emerging immediately. Where did this alloy originate? Who could have created it? And when exactly was it made? The location became critically important. Deep beneath Pacific Ocean floor, far from known civilizations, far from historical activity, far beyond expected human reach. Yet the structure existed there. A complete engineered environment below. Not isolated, but interconnected. Part of something much larger, something far more complex. The city layout revealed patterns. Clearly planned and structured design. Streets aligned with precision geometry. Buildings positioned with clear logic. Nothing appeared randomly placed. The central pyramid stood dominant, positioned at exact focal point, surrounded by symmetrical structures, connected by direct pathways, suggesting organized urban planning. But the alloy raised deeper questions. It was not just architecture. It represented advanced material science, knowledge beyond ancient capabilities, technology beyond historical records. Scientists explored possible explanations carefully. Could it be unknown civilization, lost to time and memory, erased by natural catastrophes, submerged by rising ocean levels? This theory seemed somewhat possible. Ancient coastlines once existed here, before the last ice age ended, before sea levels drastically increased, before land disappeared underwater. But the alloy contradicted everything. No ancient culture possessed this technology. No evidence supported such advancement. No tools matched this precision. No records described similar materials. Another theory quickly emerged. External origin could be possible. Material not formed on Earth. Composition unknown to terrestrial science. Structure unlike any natural element. This idea seemed highly controversial, but data supported unusual origin. Atomic structure was too perfect, too controlled, too deliberate, too advanced for known processes. Attention returned to the city. Every structure showed intentional design. Every angle followed precise measurements. Every element connected logically. Everything pointed to intelligence. Then another discovery was analyzed. The engraved stone map appeared, detailed beyond ancient capabilities, accurate beyond expected precision, containing unknown land formations. The map showed lost territories, regions now buried underwater, areas no longer existing today, yet drawn with exact proportions and correct spatial relationships. This changed the perspective entirely. The builders understood their world, with accuracy impossible for that era, mapping oceans without modern technology, seeing Earth beyond known limits. The ocean still hides everything below. Its surface reveals absolutely nothing. Calm waters conceal massive secrets. Entire worlds remain buried underneath, beyond human vision and reach. The discovered city changes perspective completely. History may not be linear anymore. It may be fragmented and lost, hidden in places we ignored, waiting to be uncovered again. The alloy remains unexplained completely. Its origin still unknown today. Its structure defies modern science. Its existence challenges human understanding. Its presence raises deeper questions. What civilization created such material? What knowledge did they possess? What tools allowed such precision? What purpose did it serve? Why was it left behind? And most importantly, what happened? What caused their disappearance entirely? What erased them from history? What forced them into silence? What ended such advanced development? The ocean may hold those answers, hidden beneath layers of darkness, protected by pressure and time, preserved beyond human interference, waiting for discovery again. But exploration has only begun. We barely scratched the surface of something much larger below, something far more complex, something far more important. This may not be isolated. There could be more cities, more structures beneath oceans, more evidence yet undiscovered, more truths waiting below. Human history may be incomplete. Entire chapters may be missing. Stories erased by natural forces. Knowledge lost beneath rising seas. Civilizations forgotten by time. Yet their traces still remain. Hidden but not destroyed. Silent but not erased. Invisible but still present. Waiting to be revealed. This discovery changes everything fundamentally. It challenges accepted historical timelines. It questions technological limitations. It redefines human potential entirely. It forces us to rethink everything. Because intelligence existed far earlier. Capability existed far beyond expectations. Innovation existed without modern tools. Knowledge existed without recorded history. And it was lost somehow. The ocean remembers what we forgot. It preserves what time erased. It hides what we overlooked. It protects what remains hidden. It keeps the truth below. One day, we will return. We will explore deeper again. We will search more carefully. We will discover more evidence. We will understand more clearly. But for now, questions remain. Answers stay buried in darkness. The mystery continues to grow, and the ocean stays silent. For now, it keeps everything.